Alrighty guys, so right now I forgot that I needed to take a shower, so I took a shower, I rinsed off all my hair, I towel dried it. I didn't add any conditioner because I felt like it would mess with how it was gonna dye, so I just shampooed it, and then we're just gonna go into this. Athena is gonna be using this like little hairbrush to add the paint to it, and then other than that, yeah, we're just gonna see how it comes out, and then
First, I have to put on the glove, which is not letting me get on.
oh, and then I just combed through my hair because I felt like it would be easier to go through. But for this little jar, it's actually $12. It should. I don't know if I'm gonna use the whole thing for this video. I think I just need maybe like a quarter. I know when I use the other dye, I use a lot of it because I did have a lot of hair, but we'll see for this one. So, you know what you gotta do? Yeah. So you just like kind of dip it in there. Yeah. And then there's a brush if you need it. There you go. Make sure you don't get in my eyes.
Do I have scissors?
Kind of just like paint my hair.
Hair, I guess a little purple.
Honestly, just grab it with your hands and kind of like massage it. I feel like that would be easier.
That's what Mom does.
Yeah, you just do that.
To get it inside too. Right?
What?
Do I have to get it inside too?
Inside
Like the roots?
the roots? Not really, but yeah, just try to get anywhere that's blonde.
Okay. This.
Is it looking purple, or what does it look like?
It's like a little, like, light purple.
Hmm.
I don't get your forehead.
Yeah, like when you do like the bangs and stuff, just like pull them back so they don't get in my eyes. What? Just like when you like cover it and stuff.
Like this?
Yeah, because like with the stuff, it should just hold it back like it's like
Like
hair
that?
gel. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully this works.
I think it will.
Because the other reason I ordered the dark purple is because it wasn't working for this one girl. So she uses purple dye with her conditioner mixed together. And it usually works. Ooh,
Give me like a head massage
I
hand.
know that felt kind of good.
Sorry.
How much more is left? Like halfway. You're so stinky.
Sorry if I cut your ear.
It's okay. This shouldn't color my skin.
It does. It's gonna be so funny. There's blonde right here, so. You have really long hair.
No.
It's hard to keep it back. Your hair is actually kind of done. Almost done.
Really? I feel like it's like a little bit blonde over here, no?
That's why I said it wasn't all.
And then make sure you get like the ends too. Of everywhere. Not like the roots, but like the tips of the hair, you know?
Oh no.
What?
I got in my shirt.
Oh no.
I made my shirt's purple, so.
It should either turn my hair white or silver. I don't know yet.
You don't know what color you're gonna dye your hair.
And then if you're not sure, you can go through with this brush and then kind of just
Okay.
make sure that you got all of it.
Now you can lift it up like this.
Does it look like it's all through? Like all this stuff is through?
That's what I'm looking.
I just don't want some to be white and some to be like yellow, you know?
I think it might be.
Even the sides too?
Well, yeah, but some right here. You look like those people from Greece.
Oh, I love their hairstyle. But my hair's curly, so it doesn't get like that. Where they have like the leather jacket and they have like the comb, and they're like,
yeah, they're like, yeah, I think it's done.
it's done? Cool, so we just gotta let it cook for 35 minutes on 350 degrees, and...
Wait, like legit cook?
No. Here, let me go... Can you... Oh, well, you actually have gloves. Let me go check the mirror.
There's hair on my hands.
I know, it's because I'm balding. I think we're gonna have to add more. I think we're probably just gonna use because this looks more yellow than the tank. It's just really brown in.
I just didn't want to waste all of it.
Yeah. So then I can see if it works or not.
Probably why. Okay. Probably why I missed it is because that's where I'm not doing it. No, there's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep, that's perfect.
Just leave it like that? Leave it like a lot purple right there?
Yeah, kind of just like glob it on like everywhere essentially. And then you can like smush all my hair into one giant glob, so it's like a big glob of like. So like push all the hair that's right here like up. Yeah, perfect. And then just like mush it together into like, yeah, just like that. Because I feel like when these pieces are left out, it like, they don't get as much color as like, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Is it on? No. We're kind of running out, but I guess it's okay. Oh no.
Oh my gosh, good. You're scooping off my shorts.
How?
Just scoop it with your hand. Like, yeah, that's fine. There you go. I can wash these shorts later.
It looks good enough. So right here.
They look very globby.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just
trying my hardest not to get it on your shoulders or anything.
don't worry about that.
Okay.
And then you got like the back to this part?
That's what I did.
Okay, cool.
That's what I was doing.
Is there any more?
Yeah. Do you want to add the rest?
Yeah, just add the rest. Perfect.
Okay. Yeah.
It's looking good?
And there's almost like nothing there. Kind of spooky.
Cool. I just really smash. Perfect. That's how perfect. That looks good. Cool. Alright. You got the back too?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright, so it says to leave it on for 35 minutes. Oh my gosh, I look so crazy. I look bald. So it says to leave it on for 35 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it out and then come back, and then we'll see if my hair is also white. So, guess we'll see. Alrighty, guys. So I'm back. A lot of things kind of went down. So first off, we did go through the whole jar of the. What was this one? What shade is this? The Lunar White, and it like kind of worked, but kind of didn't. I wish, because we got some parts, but some parts are still kind of yellow. So I decided to do this thing where someone makes purple hair dye with their conditioner to kind of make like a purple conditioner of their own, which kind of made my hair like a shade of purple. Hopefully it washes out though. And I feel like it's going to come out more silvery than white, but I think I'll try it next time, and then hopefully, I think I need my hair a little bit more blonde than it was. And I have these like red roots because I tried to tone the hair when it was black, and it ended up coming out kind of red. So there's that. So hopefully I'm able to figure out how to the purple dye and the conditioner work in order to get white hair. But so far I don't know what this color is, and we're just gonna leave it at that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and show your love and support down below. It really does help me out. Also, if you guys end up dyeing your hair whitish, or if you do know how to dye your hair, tag me in the photo and tell me how you did it, because I really want to know. And if you haven't already, click the big red subscribe button. Ugh. If you haven't already, please click. Oh my god. If you haven't already, please click the big red subscribe button down below and join the Quesadilla family. That's what I'm gonna call us, the Quesadillas.
Okay.
That's cute, huh?
I mean, that's teacher would call.
Yeah, well, all our teachers would call us Quesadilla. And also click the bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a brand new video. And if you'd like to follow me on my life journey, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. And I also do have a Snapchat. This video